Dr. Huebner, Natural Transplants. I'm here with Pedro. And Pedro was here. He's actually had two surgeries. So this is now 1 year after his second surgery. And I believe we have his first surgery documented. But this is a really great video because people can really see the difference between not only one surgery, but a second surgery, which some people do require or want. So, Pedro, tell me about your experience and tell me what you think about your results so far.
Well, so actually, it's been exactly 2 years because we did the first surgery around the same time. So this is the result from this is exactly 2 years from two surgeries, and the experience. I don't have enough words to describe how wonderful it was. The best experience. My hair, my hair, the way it was looking before, I was not looking like my age. I was looking much older than I actually am, and now after this, I feel confident and it fits. I'm looking like my age again. So to any, especially
Amazing.
someone that's like my age or younger, I recommend this 100%. This is the best experience. Not much
Amazing,
words
man.
to
Amazing.
describe it.
These are my favorite kind of calls, man, when people have the results and you can just tell they're
You're the best,
confident
man.
and yeah, yeah. Well, let's model your hair a little bit so people can see
Yeah,
what you're
yeah.
talking
Look at
about.
this.
So
Uh huh.
maybe just pull
So
your hair up and back.
see.
Yep,
So
yep.
that
And
my
so
issue
look,
was the hairline. If you remember, that was what our concern was. Because fortunately, the
yep,
crown, everything is good there. My issue when it came to me was here.
yep.
So
Can you turn to the side as well? Just kind of maybe pull back a little bit and just hold it to one side. There we go. Perfect. And then kind of slowly bring it around towards us. Yep. Yep. A
I
little
could see
further out, a
now.
little further. Yep. Yeah, we go. Perfect. Yes. Yeah.
Mhm.
Let's see the other side too, man. Wow. That is unbelievable, man. The density is just a
Insane.
solid line, man. Loving it. Yes.
Yep. And the good thing
Awesome.
about it now, having the good hairline again, I could style it, change it so many other ways. Before it, when it was here like really bad, there was not much I could do. I always had to keep my hair long and hiding. If I want to right now, tomorrow, I could buzz cut it and it'll look good. So it
Right.
gives me much more options. So definitely the best
Pedro,
experience again.
amazing, man. Thank you for the kind words. And,
Yeah.
um, I just can't wait to see how this affects your life in such a positive way. So,
Yep. Thank you.
thanks again for sharing your story and enjoy your hair, man.
Thank you. I appreciate you so much, Dr. Huebner.
Yes, sir.
Take the first step to better hair. Visit us at naturaltransplants.com.